If you want to save time and make your videos easier to follow, auto captions are one of the best features in CapCut PC. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add auto captions on CapCut PC in just a few simple steps. This is perfect for tutorials, reels, shorts, talking head videos, and any project where you want your words to appear on screen automatically. Captions can help improve engagement, make your content more accessible, and keep viewers watching longer. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, and let's jump right in. Once you have your project open inside CapCut, look at the top corner of the screen and click on the Text tab. This is where CapCut keeps all of its text-related tools, including titles, stickers, and caption features. After that, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Auto Captions. This is the option that tells CapCut you want the software to listen to your audio and create captions for you automatically. Now, you'll need to select the spoken language in your video. This is an important step because CapCut uses the language setting to understand what's being said and generate more accurate captions. Open the drop-down menu and choose the language that matches your audio. If your video is in English, select English. If it's in another language, choose the correct one so the transcription process works properly. After selecting the language, click the Generate button, or in some versions it may say Create. CapCut will now start analyzing your audio and turning your speech into text, depending on the length of your video. This may take a few moments. While it's processing, CapCut's AI is listening to your narration and building a separate caption track for you automatically. Once the process is complete, you'll see the captions appear in your timeline as their own track. This means CapCut has successfully transcribed your spoken audio into subtitles that you can now edit, style, and position however you like. You can click on the caption track to review the text, fix any mistakes, and customize the look so it matches your video style. If you want your captions to look more professional, you can also adjust the font, size, color, background, and placement after they're generated. That way, your captions not only make the video easier to understand, but they also fit the overall design of your content. For creators making short-form videos, this is especially useful because auto captions can help you publish faster without typing everything manually. So just to recap, open your project, go to the Text tab, select auto captions from the left sidebar, choose your spoken language, and then click Generate or Create. CapCut will handle the transcription for you and add the captions directly into your timeline. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick CapCut guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.